Legends of Learning presents the Shapeville Build and Learn game. This is a math game that makes learning about representing 3D figures using nets fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, Shapeville Build and Learn is a fun, interactive way for students to explore geometry through hands-on play. In this engaging city building game, students use nets and 3D shapes to design and construct a vibrant town, all while learning key concepts like surface area and spatial reasoning. With puzzles, matching challenges, and creative tasks, students build houses, match shapes, and even run a factory, all while reinforcing math skills. Perfect for making geometry exciting and accessible for your class. Use the mouse to click on different build objects to create a better community. Build different shaped buildings and calculate the area for each shape before painting the shapes. Complete all the building tasks to move on to the next level tasks. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.